BS Locksmith, good afternoon. We are in the Wheat area in Colorado. We are locksmith services in the Denver Metro. If you need any locksmith, please call us 720-372-8577. Here we go. We just rekey and change locks for these customers. Here we go. That's a realtor investment property. Here we go. We just rekey for this house. Lock and another lock. We rekey the locks for these customers. If you need any locksmith services, lockout, cars, house, office, we are a locksmith, residentials and commercial services. Please call us, BS Locksmith Aurora, Colorado LLC, 720-372-8577. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye bye.